This is Emmy eating for the first time solid food.
Do you like it?
Me have some.
You want to have some on?
Yeah.
Can you sing Baba Black Sheep for the camera?
Baba, 7, 8, 9,
No. Baba.
Don't fall, buddy. Oh, and where's your muscle food?
This is going well. I mean, you're really eating a lot.
Muscles! Oh, and what's your shirt say? Oh, and where's your shirt from?
Boston.
Boston? Who was in Boston this week? Was Mommy in Boston or Daddy?
Yeah.
Did Daddy go on a plane? What do planes do?
Fly.
Plane. Put your wings out and fly?
You okay?
Oh. You alright, Emmy girl?
Is it too much?
We're gonna need to change your clothes. You looking at your brother? Emmy girl. Emmy girl. Oh, thank you.
Put one in her hair.
Cheers.
Can you swallow it, Emmy girl?
Muscles.
Making some
You
progress.
figuring out that solid food, Emmy? You're doing pretty good for the first time. You're doing pretty good for the first time. Yeah. I know if you say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, camera.
Say, love you.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Smile. Do a
What
big
do you
smile
say
for the camera.
Cheese. Did you eat all? Did you eat any of those nuts?
I ate two.